we are an OEM manufacturer based out of Sidgul, Haridwar. We do complete backward integrated premium luxury segment ceiling fan manufacturing. Yeah, it's the first one for us at the FAN Expo here, and the experience has been wonderful so far. Pretty impressive. I mean, we honestly speaking, we're not expecting the amount of footfall that we've received, and it's been phenomenal. Very, very well organized and very helpful, and the facilities and the utilities are very well placed and very clean, because that matters a lot. I'd say a 9 out of a 10. The one I have kept out because I see a little bit scope of improvement on certain areas. Keep up the good work and have a feedback mechanism so that we can get back to you on what all can be improved for the next iteration. But overall, it's been a wonderful experience. And kudos to the team. It's been a really nice experience for us.